Hi guys, it's been some time since we've reacted to your comments, and today I will do just that. I will try to be quick, and I will try to be 50% useful, 50% funny. I hope that works, so let's go. And remember guys, camera adds £5, and I have 2 of them, so not my fault. Definitely not all the pizzas and everything, it's the cameras. But let's start with the comments. So, Prodeus writes, I'm really enjoying these videos and absolutely for no reason I want that 100 gigabit switch. That's the new CRS 520 he's talking about. And I get this sentiment because these exciting new switches, they offer more speed and more features that you can use. So yeah, you could say that there's no reason for you to get them, but when you have a new tool at your disposal, eventually you start using it. Eventually the rest of the setup will step up, right? So I wouldn't say for no reason. I would say that you want this switch because you are thinking forward, because you are looking into the future, you are a visionary. So that is a valid reason, perfectly valid. Moving on. Linux, please make Winbox available formally on Linux. Getting fed up with Wine and all the random glitches. Formally, like with like tuxedo and everything, but the Linux Penguin actually is a tuxedo guy, right? The serious answer, we are working on that. No estimated delivery time, sorry, but the team is aware and the team is working, so have faith and have patience. Hi, really nice video. Could you give several examples of other reliable lists? So this is a comment under the Druvis video for Pi-hole alternative, when you can use router OS add list to block the ads, and of course you need to have reliable lists to block all the ads, and our suggestion would be taking a look at firebog.net. Another comment from Johnsono3. MikroTik has become my favorite IT learning resource. And that's a comment under the CA root certificate video. And this is why we do the microtips videos. If you are learning something and you are also having fun in the process, that is everything that we could wish for. So thank you for this comment. And what do I see here? Is that a Naruto profile picture? I used to watch Naruto as well, up until the whole Pain saga after the second Ninja Wars or something like that. So yeah, cheers for that as well. Another comment under the CRS 520, the 100 gigabit super switch. From now, MikroTik will stop doing routers. They are going to build switches the correct way. First up, I agree about the building switches the correct way, and if someone is wondering, the correct way to build the switches, it must be flexible, enough features for do what you want to do. It must have like competitive pricing, right? Because we want these switches out there working for you guys. But also, I have to say that please don't make us choose. Whenever there's data moving from one place to another, we love that. We like to make routers, access points, switches. We love experimenting with Internet of Things. And we will keep expanding the product line because this is something that makes the hearts of our engineers pump faster. So this is not a fight between switches and routers. This is like a family of different product types. But I really appreciate your enthusiasm. Another popular comment, every time there's a new product published on YouTube, this thing happens, and this is something that maybe we can improve in the future. So the question, why there's no product page on the MikroTik website. The thing is, when we publish a new product like CRS 520 on YouTube, it happens a little bit before the official release, as a teaser for the YouTube community, but also for the distributors to have time to set everything up in their pages and social media and everything. So if you see a product on our YouTube channel without any product page, just wait a couple of days, it will be there, and it is there. Core Pro Official writes, wow, MikroTik is impressive, but someone can say there are bigger devices on the market, but they have one big minus, they don't have router OS. That's right. So just imagine how many possibilities with router OS this switch has. I congratulate MikroTik on your bigger plus. Your advantage is router OS. Thank you. I completely agree, and I have to mention as a marketing guy some more pluses of MikroTik. My favorite plus of MikroTik is that this company is being run by people who know what they are doing. And what I mean by that, engineers, people who have built this technology, this product family, this business from the ground up, they are the ones who know how this stuff works. They are the visionaries. We are not run by some, these modern MBA managers who only know how to manage, who don't know the technology. But of course there are other benefits as well. No subscriptions, no paywalls, no weird these modern business models. You buy it, you own it. And of course router OS, the same OS all across the product family. That's crazy. And I just love how we do these things. And of course I'm biased, I work here, but comments like this, they reassure me that my colleagues are really smart and honest in the way that they are doing things. So thank you for the positive comment. Now a comment under the Jeeper video. Where to buy? Not available on Amazon. Thank God it's not available on Amazon. Guys, please stop buying MikroTik devices not on the official distributor stores. The reason is simple. Actually, I will give you 3 reasons. The simplest reason is the knowledge. MikroTik distributors, we train them, we communicate with them daily, and they are also passionate about networking. So if an Amazon seller just wants to, I don't know, maybe they even care about your experience, about delivering the stuff, but they don't know routers, they don't know switches. They are Amazon sellers. Also remember that Amazon is not a single store, it's a collection of various sellers. So one guy on Amazon might be knowledgeable, the other guy might know nothing. So there's no benefit to going around and skipping the distributors. They are there for a reason, and I think you should think about distributors as ambassadors of MikroTik. They are the extension of the MikroTik knowledge all across the world. That's one thing. And another thing, distributors also might have better prices, and they can help you choose the right device in different cases. And yeah, please use the distributors. Another question about the Jeeper. How smart are these things? Is there a switch chip? So yeah, the way we make stuff like this is completely opposite how other companies would do it. We basically make a switch. In this case it's a PoE powered 2-port switch. It has a switch chip, and then we make the switch do simpler stuff than a regular switch would do, not the other way around. And if you remember one of the recent products, the fiber to copper converter, the smart one, again, it's basically a switch that we kindly asked to become a fiber to copper converter. Since we are so in tune with the switches, we can ask them to do all sorts of stuff. So we don't have to make like dumb accessories, we can make smart accessories. So yeah, there is a switch chip. Finally, 2 more comments that will illustrate my point why you should go to MikroTik distributors, not Amazon sellers. 2 comments under the SXT LTE6 US kit. It doesn't work in Saudi Arabia, tell me what to do. And the second comment, I bought it from Amazon 2 days ago in Saudi Arabia, but it is not working. Tell me what should I do. If you went to a distributor, he would explain that we have region-based devices that will not work in another region, and there are a lot of reasons for that, but the most common is that all across the world there are specific legal regulations that don't allow selling specific like frequencies, specific power of antennas and so on. So technical parameters also have like legal regulation. So obviously there can be situations where you get a US based device which will not work anywhere else. If you go to a MikroTik distributor, this will not happen. They will tell you, look, this is not the right device for you, my friend, you need this instead. So please, 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 if you take away one thing from this video, one thing only, MikroTik distributors are your best friends. Trust them, because I trust them, my colleagues trust them, we work side by side, and they have your best interest at heart, because if you are satisfied, it is good business for them, and everyone is happy. So yeah, forget about Amazon. Also, another cool thing about distributors, they can make reservations. Amazon cannot. So even if you hear rumors about unreleased devices, you can ask distributors, hey, if this device ever comes to your attention, please take one and leave it aside for me. They will do that for you. You don't have to refresh the page hoping that, oh, I hope I get that very popular device that is in high demand. Just make a reservation. The voice does not match with the person. The person in the video is not the same person speaking, and not synchronized exactly either. You caught us. That is not the real Normans. The real Normans, for many years now, has been